Gilas Pilipinas at Laban Pilipinas. Yan ang nakalagay sa dibdib ng bawat manlalaro sa unang araw ng pag-iinsayo ng 17 manlalaro na bibisil mapabilang sa national team na sasabak sa 2013 FIBA Asia Championships. 6 na buwan bago ang pinakaantay na FIBA Asia Tournament sa Agosto, pinangalanan na ni National Team Coach Chot Reyes ang mga manlalarong pagpipiliang kumatawan sa bansa. 7 sa mga ito nagmula sa dating kupunan ni Coach Chot at 3-time Philippine Cup champions sa PBA, ang tropang Texters. Kabilang dito sina Jimmy Alapag, Larry Fonasher, Ranidel De Ocampo, Jason Castro, Ryan Reyes, Jared Dillinger at Kelly Williams.
Unang-una, yung sistema na ipapasok ni Coach Chot is yung sistema niya sa talk and text. So malaking bagay na yung mga player, kung alam na yung sistema.
Coach Chot Reyes are familiar with all of the players. He knows the idiosyncrasies of these players. He knows how they react under game situations. He knows how they react under stressful conditions. And that will be of great advantage to the team.
Muli rin binalik ni Coach Chot ang ilan sa mga manlalaro na mula sa FIBA Asia Cup at nagdala ng kampyonato sa bansa sa nakaraang Jones Cup. Kasama sa hanay ang floor general na si L.A. Tenorio, ang shooter na si Jeff Chan, mga wing players na sina Gary David at Gabe Norwood, at ang sentrong sina Sanitos at ang naturalized 6'10" center na si Marcus Dautit.
These players whom we recruited from the Jones Cup were proven winners, okay? They won the title for the Philippines and they don't have to prove anything. All of these also are good athletic players and they deserve to be in the national team. And you know, even if I'm the coach, I will recruit players who have delivered for the team and who knows my philosophy.
Nandun na sila noon pa eh. So alam na nila yung sistema, more or less, no? Konting review na lang para mabalik lang yung alam nilang sistema na pinasok na ni Coach Chot, so that yung mga bago na hindi alam, konti na lang yon.
Nagdagdag din ng ceiling ang kupunan kasama sa 17-man kulang 6'5" center na si Mark Pingris, 6'11", 2012 PBA #1 draft pick na si Junmar Fajardo at ang 7-footer former Ateneo stalwart na si Greg Slaughter. Kasali din sa Gilas Pilipinas ang nagpapalit na si Javit Aguilar matapos niyang subukang pasukin ang NBA.
Yung sa akin naman, yung relation ko naman kay Coach Chot nandun pa rin eh. Naging coach ko siya. Minentor niya ako. Tsaka I'm ready to give my all. Dream ko rin na i-represent yung bansa talaga.
Kung si National Team Assistant Coach Jong Wichico ang tatanungin, malaking bagay rin sana kung may manlalarong mula sa Gilas 1 ang napasama sa training pool.
Kasi may experience na sila sa international. Yun sana ang that would have been most ideal.
Gayunpaman, kung titignan, ito na raw marahil ang pinakamalaki at pinakamatangkad na mga manlalarong kakatawan para sa bansa kung sakasakali.
Well, what I'm happy about with this team is, one, we have size, which is something we've never really had in the past, and we also have outside shooters. I think the system that Coach Chot will put in will really take advantage of the talent of our players.
Pero liban sa laki at taas, ang mga manlalarong pinili ni Coach Chot kaya rin makipagsabayan pagdating sa bilis at pagpukol mula sa labas.
And that's what we need very badly in international competition when we play against the giants of Asia. Virtually, all of the players that have been named to the national pool are shooters and they could be of great help.
Tangkad at talento, ang tanong na lang, haba ng panahon na makapag-insayo. Kasabay ng pag-anunsyo ni National Coach Chot Reyes ng kanyang 17-man training pool ay ang pagrebisa ng Philippine Basketball Association sa All-Star Weekend ng Liga sa darating na Mayo para suportahan ng Gilas.
Parsa lang, but you know, kagaya ng sinabi ko, if we only know the battles that we went through just to be in this position. So I can't complain, you know, humingi kami 3 months, sabihan tayong 2 months, it's still better than nothing than 2 weeks, di ba?
Sa unang araw ng Hulyo, nakatakdang i-anunsyo ang Final 12 na siyang bubuo sa national team. At para kay Coach Chot, iisa lang bagay ang maaaring magdala sa kanila sa posisyong ito.
Dapat sila lahat talaga willing magpakamatay. They have to really want to genuinely play for each other and die for the country.
Sa malakas, Laban Pilipinas!
Puso! Sa 2012 William Jones Cup, pinaghahandaan naman ni Marcus Dautit ngayon ang 2013 FIBA Asia Championships na gaganapin dito sa Maynila ngayong Agosto at nangangakong gagawin ang lahat para pumasok tayo sa 2014 Spain FIBA World Cup.
How are you taking this challenge for this one as we start to prepare for this one, the big one?
I'm starting to prepare now me personally. Every day I'm taking it personal. So this August will probably be the best basketball I'm ever gonna play in my life. Only why? Because I have so much time to prepare. You know, even when I was trying out for the NBA, you have, you know, a month or a month and a half. You know, right now I got 5 months to sit down and retune everything, get stronger, get faster, you know, refresh my moves, everything. So this will probably be the best basketball I hope to play in my life come August.
But being naturalized, being called a Filipino, it comes with a price for anyone who's maintaining you. But on your part, playing beyond just, this is no longer about how much you get in terms of the contract, yeah?
It's definitely not about money. I mean, I don't got offer more money in a lot of different places in here.
See?
It's more than a blessing and a privilege that the country gave me to represent them. They could have got a million Americans, you know, that can play basketball, and y'all got imports coming in every single year. So, you know, I just got a great opportunity, and I'm definitely trying to take advantage of what, you know, the country and the management and, you know, everyone gave me. A lot of people put their hope instilled in me to, you know, try to help the country get to where they need to get to. And the only way I can repay them is to work as hard as I possibly can.